Hello all, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I am going to show you one of the babhirakhi model. So before getting to the video, who are watching for the first time, don't forget to subscribe the channel. This is the charms, two sides hold charms we are going to use to make the this one, and we are using adjustable chain, pearls, chakras and small materials along with this rakhi thread, like a cotton rakhi thread. So we have to take about 30 centimeters length thread, which we are going to fold it into like two strings. So it will be about 15 centimeters each thread. So as we have charms two-sided holes, then we are going to cut this thread also into two strings, and one string which will come about 15 centimeters, we once again folding it into two strings which will come about 7.5 centimeters, and this string I am going to insert through this hole and take out, and we are going to make a self knot here like this. So with this, our one side thread will be fixed in one side. In the same way, we will be doing the other side also. This 15 centimeters thread, folding into two threads and then taking out through this ring and making a self knot like this. So our thread is fixed two sides of this charm. Now we have to plan our decoration portion. So usually men's rakhis will be very simple. Usually they'll prefer very simple and elegant rakhis, no? So that's why I am also giving very simple design here, like one pearl and then one chakra, then again second pearl, and lastly two more chakras. With this we will be finishing our design of our rakhi like this. So once we finished our design portion, we have to knot this edge so that there will not be a movement of these beads here and there. So we will be locking these beads with this knot. So if required, you can go for a second knot also based on the beads sizes and all. So like this we did in one side. The same way we are going to finish our second side also. So with this our major rakhi is finished. After this we have a small work at the end of these threads to make these two strings even. Finally we will be putting one knot, leaving this 1.5 to 1 inch to 1.5 inch thread both the sides like this. So with this our babhirakhi is ready. See how elegant and beautiful, simple and elegant look it has now. So this is our babhirakhi. Now we will proceed to do with babhirakhi. So babhirakhi we are planning in such a way that in future also they can use it as their a bracelet. So we will be using locking crumbs. Using the locking crumbs and small portion of a copper wire, we are initially fixing one side of this charm, the copper wire like this, and we will be locking this portion. Then after we have to plan, as it is like a ladies accessory, we are giving little more like a designing pattern so that it will look very elegant. So here I am using one pearl, then chakra, then some 10 silver laurels which will go with this theme perfectly. So silver laurels, then again we will obstruct this movement of silver laurels with again chakra and then pearl, then again two more chakras. So this is what the simple pattern I have planned for this rakhi like this. So here Finally we will be giving a lock. So instead of normally locking it, we will take our adjustable bracelet chain, and then we will give a loop and then lock it, so that it will be like a adjustable bracelet as well as Rakhi, like this. We can even give a little more broader decoration or design pattern also, but as our charm is little bigger, it's almost covering the half of our wrist portion, so that's why I have given very small design here in our Rakhi. So I'm going to do the same pattern on the second side also, with pearl and L'Oreals and again pearls. And then finally we will be locking this with the second side of our adjustable bracelet string. So with this our babhirakhi is also ready. It is very much adjustable, so it will fit for all the sizes of woman wrist, 222 to 2.8, like this. See how beautiful it looks. So not only for this Rakhi occasion, even after that also they can use it like a bracelet also. So this is our Bhaiya Bhabhi final look. Hope you all like this video. As I told you, the charm is little 1 inch length it has, that's why design portion we have reduced. And along with this we have made a few more Bhaiya Bhabhi Rakhi models in silver itself. So this is one more charm. Then I made in flower charm also. It looks very pretty. Then the same charm whichever I shown you in figure, and this is a round charm. So this, unlike that 2 holes, it has a single pass through, so we have to directly take one string and do the design portion. So that's it. This is about today's video. Hope you all like the video. Please do let me know if you have any doubts through comments, and I'll see you in a new video very soon. Thank you so much.